Do you see this? This is a menu from the Daydreaming Cafe, okay? I've been wanting to talk about this for it's like been 2 weeks since we did this now. Oh my god. And I wanted to tell you guys about it, but I just keep forgetting, so I'm gonna tell you about it now. Okay, so the Daydreaming Cafe, hold on, let me prop up my camera. The Daydreaming Cafe is this little thing that my mom made up. This is her menu. So one morning, Zoe and I woke up. I look so ratchet today. I just worked out and then I have like lipstick on but no other makeup, so I look kind of weird. I look bad in all my vlogs. I'm so sorry. I'm gonna put makeup on soon, I swear. Anyways, so one morning like 2 weeks ago, Zoe and I woke up and the table was all set like a restaurant, and there was menus and they have different options: coffee, tea, juice, oatmeal, French toast, scrambled eggs, cereal, vanilla yogurt. And anyways, long story short, my mom, my sweet mom, one day she got up before us and she like set the whole dining room up like a restaurant, and she served us like a waiter, and she's like, "Hi, welcome to the Daydreaming Cafe." And she gave us a full-on like cafe restaurant experience since we're in quarantine and we like can't go out to eat anymore or whatever. She just wanted to do something special for us, and even though I'm 28 years old, I still appreciate my mother doing things like that for me. It's always special and so sweet and like creative, and like I love that I have a mom like that, and I love that Zoe has a grandma like that. So it was just super sweet and silly and fun, and it really like touched my soul because my sweet mother is so cute. And yeah, so I wanted to tell you guys what my mom did for us. It was so cute, and I'm gonna keep this little menu because it's like a good memory and it's from coronavirus quarantine, and yeah, I'll save it and maybe Zoe can tell her kids about it one day. Hello, I have makeup on today. Are you guys proud of me? Because I'm proud of me. I thought that I was going to film something, so I did my makeup, but I didn't end up filming that, so I just ended up doing my makeup for no reason. But I think I'm gonna go to Target right now and go get some groceries. I need to get some stuff for my grandma, and then I'm gonna deliver it to her house. And what a perfect day to go to Target when I have makeup on for the first time in like ever. Finally, I look decent in a vlog. Also, we got a new kitchen sink today, and oh my god, I wish I should have filmed our old one because the handle literally broke off. So we had it just like sitting on there, and if you didn't like lift it the right way or hold the handle, the lever or whatever on the faucet the correct way, it would just like rip off and make this like loud sound. And anyways, we've been living that way for a few weeks, and we finally got a new kitchen sink or kitchen faucet installed today, and it looks beautiful. I'll probably show you. Our new kitchen sink, our new kitchen faucet. Oh my god, so much better. So much better. I should have filmed what the old one looked like because you would have laughed. And here's this wall. My mom is currently painting the ceiling, and it's coming together, and it looks so much better than it did when the refrigerator and the cabinet was here. And here's what the kitchen looks like now from this angle. Just looks so much wider and better and beautiful and big. We still have to get a new table and a new fridge, but not yet. This is me today. The weather this week in Orange County is going to be so nice. It's gonna be like 80 and 90 all week. I'm hoping it's gonna stay like this and become summer, because I'm okay with being home if the weather is nice. I hate being home and it's gloomy and cloudy. It makes it even more depressing. But anyways, since it's gonna be so nice today, I'm gonna wear a bikini. It's gonna be like 91 today. This bikini is from Zaful, in case you're wondering. It's really cute. I got it like last year though. I'm out of breath. I don't know why, but I'm out of breath. Oh my god. But anyways, I just washed my face. I'm gonna clean today and get some shit done. This week was a little rough for me, so I kind of didn't do much, but I'm gonna clean, and then if I have time later, I'll lay out in the backyard in my bikini. I've been cleaning for a long time. I still haven't put my laundry away, but I did fold it. almost done cleaning this area. Thank God. I should have showed you what it looked like before because it was awful. This is why it takes me so long to clean. I literally just sat here on the floor for like 30 minutes perfecting this sticker. I used like a razor blade and everything to cut it so it fit exactly on this little phone charger. Aren't these cute? These are from M. Scott. She's the one that did this tattoo on my arm. It's so good. I love this one. It says "No one rules me," which is for Norm. It's like my Norm tat because Norm is an acronym for "No one rules me." But anyways, M. Scott did this tattoo on me. She's so good. And I recently bought one of her prints. This one. It's in that tube over there on the floor. I need to get a frame for it, but she sent me a couple of stickers also, so I just stuck them to this charger. Cute. I'm also currently soaking off my gels on my toes. Look at my toes look funny. I have this color, this orange color on my nails and my toes, but obviously I need to redo it. Thank God I know how to do my own nails because no nail salons are open. I can't afford that shit anyways. But I'm soaking off my gel polish on my toes and then I will soak off the gel polish on my nails and then I'm gonna redo my nails. And I think I'm gonna do this one. This one is Nice Girls Rule. Let's see what it looks like. It's like this pink. I don't know if you can really tell the color in this lighting because the lighting kind of sucks right now, but it's just like a pretty kind of like opalescent type of color. So that's the color I'm gonna do. This is our setup today. We got a little mini pool, lounge chair, my coffee drink right there. We're chilling. We're gonna enjoy the hot weather in our mini pool with the view. Never mind my thick thighs. I wanted to show you guys this cute little radio that I got. I got this a while ago. It was gifted to me from Muzen, I think. Muzen? I forget what it's called, but it's so cute. I'll put a link to this in the description of this video if I remember. It's very sturdy, good quality little radio. Listen. So it's an AM FM radio and, oh no, it's just an FM radio, which is even better. Just an FM radio, or you can plug in an aux cord and hook up your phone, or it's also a Bluetooth. It's great and it plays really loud and it's tiny and it's like perfect for outdoors and it's so cute. I just want to show you guys because I love it and we're going to listen to some jams on our little radio while we sit in our little pool. Zoe has always liked playing with snails. Look how cute. And she's so nice to snails, huh? Snails kind of gross me out, but I do think they're cute. Look at its little antennas. Gary? Got the jams out here in our little radio. Pool's getting a little dirty. Currently laying out on my towel. It's a good day. Wow, you can really see how dirty my mirror is, can't you? Anyways, I just showered and I did my skincare. My skin's been looking fresh. And it's so hot and I'm too lazy to blow dry my hair. I normally blow dry my hair after I take a shower, like every time. I like never not blow dry my hair. Never not blow dry my hair, yeah. But anyways, it's too hot to blow dry my hair and I braided it and I'm gonna see what happens. I usually don't have very good luck when I sleep with wet hair, so I'm really curious to see what this is gonna look like in the morning. And my hair is so thick, honestly, it probably, oh god, I just pulled the rubber band out. Zoe's laughing at me. Here, hold this camera while I put this back. Don't press any buttons. So anyways, I'm gonna put the rubber band back on. My hair is so thick that it probably will still be wet in the morning because that's just how it is. And my hair will probably look crazy. Zoe is holding the camera right now for me and she right now is just like, Mom, you know your hair is gonna be so curly in the morning. And I said, I know. But anyways, so yeah, we're in bed. It's like 10:45 right now and Missy should really be sleeping already, but somehow she's still awake. And yeah, honestly, I don't know how this week's vlog is gonna be, so I'm so sorry if it's kind of boring. You know, we're all quarantined, we're all stuck at home, so there's not like that much to do. Last weekend I had a really like bad day, and it kind of carried on into my week, and I don't know, I've had like a hard time like recovering from that bad day. I wish I could talk about it, but I can't. So anyways, I had like major anxiety, and I feel like it just carried on into my week this week. So it's been like really hard for me to like get back on track and like vlog and like get out of my little funk. But after a week of trying to get out of this funk, I'm barely starting to feel like I'm like getting out of it. So I'm hoping tomorrow is gonna be better, because today is Sunday. Tomorrow I'm gonna get up, we're gonna homeschool, I'm gonna get back into my groove, get out of my little funk, and yeah. But I wanted to say sorry for this vlog not being very exciting this week, because yeah, I've been in a funk, and this week has just been kind of unproductive, and I've been super unmotivated, and it was kind of a boring week, and I kind of took it really slow and just was super easy on myself this week. So that might mean a boring vlog. But anyways, I am gonna wake up tomorrow and show you guys my hair, and then I'll upload this vlog. I try and upload my vlogs every Sunday, which means that I wouldn't include Monday in this vlog, if that makes sense. But I want to show you guys what my hair looks like when I wake up. So I will show you what that looks like in the morning, and then I will edit this vlog and upload it so you guys can see it. Good night. I just washed my face, and I have my workout gear on. I'm gonna do a workout right now. I love this new sports bra. I just got this sports bra from Target. It's like 20 bucks. Super comfortable. Anyways, I told you I would show you what my hair looks like when I take it out of the braid, so we're gonna do that right now. And it is still a little bit damp. It actually looks kind of cute. Smells good. Still damp, but kind of kinky, kind of wavy. I don't know. Not very cute. But I'm gonna work out right now anyway, so it doesn't matter. But I don't know, kind of looks beachy, messy beachy. I don't know how girls have like effortlessly messy hair. That looks good, because mine never looks good. Mine always looks weird. But yeah, I'm gonna go work out now. Here's what my hair looks like after that braid.